Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for the 17th to the 25th. First, we're going to talk about another winter storm that's threatening the East Coast. And models are converging on a significant cyclone moving northeast along the East Coast. And the details of the storm track will need to be worked out as the event draws closer. So this, we're looking here at the, which model is this? The Canadian. And here's the Canadian, 1 p.m. Tuesday. Then we go to 7 a.m. Wednesday. Still nothing. Then we start seeing the effects. We go to 1 p.m. Wednesday. We start seeing it. Oh, it's not on your map yet. And we start seeing it at 7 p.m. on Wednesday down across the southern mid-Atlantic. And then we go to 72 hours at 7 a.m. Thursday, and we can see the storm system here, and it looks like, I can't read it, it might be 958 millibar low off the mid-Atlantic coast, and it seems like it's hugging the coast, and this is going to be the problem, where the rain and snow line finally ends. And right now it has it going across southern Connecticut, across parts of northern New Jersey, down through southeast Pennsylvania. So the area here, it will be snow. Down here will be rain or a mixture. So then we go to 84 hours, and it's still, this is on 7 p.m. Thursday night, and it's still occurring, and you can see here it turns back to snow, and this is the freezing line, this dark blue line, and it turns back to snow whatever we have. That's the Canadian. Now we're going to look at the GFS, and this is at 1 a.m. on Wednesday. Then we go to 48 hours. This is 1 p.m. on Wednesday. And then we go to 1 a.m. on Thursday, and it seems like it's slower to get this in with the precipitation not even occurring yet. It's still back across southern New Jersey and the southern mid-Atlantic. Then we go to 66 hours out and 72 hours out. And remember, I said the blue line is a freezing line, and it keeps it just across the central Jersey coast and much of Long Island, and keeping the areas to the north primarily as snow. With the system a little bit further offshore, you can see you see the 1,000 millibar mark. And you see it's still occurring. This is 7 p.m. Thursday, and this is 1 a.m. Friday morning. It's still occurring. Now, like I said, this the GFS has it occurring later and then ending later. This is a European deterministics. And this is the colder one. This is the colder model. This is 7 p.m. on Wednesday. You can see it down across the southern mid-Atlantic into Virginia. Then we go to 66 hours, and it's in the northern New Jersey area. And then we go to 72 hours. You can see now, we see, I can't believe what I see down there. It's 553 millibar. Oh, 996, I'm sorry. That's the thickness I was reading. 996. It's not in your screen yet. And then, like, it deepens more to 992. You can see it. 992 millibar low. And the European also has it changing to rain around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And then it goes back to snow early on Friday morning. Okay, now but a lot has to be worked out because what they have is a ridge building over northern New England, which might keep the cold air dammed along the east of the Appalachians, which is always usually the case with these storms. Okay, now on to the forecast. Now, models are depicting a deep trough over in the Gulf of Alaska with a zone of flow developing across much of North America for February 16th to the 20th. This pattern favors the Pacific air in the pattern and a northward displacement of the storm track. The blocking ridge over the pole favors Arctic air across much of the northern North America. The EFS run keeps heights below normal across much of the northern U.S. and northeast and in the mid-Atlantic. So this is the GEFS. We're going to get to the period 16th to the 20th. And you see, like, it starts at road to cold air. And then we have it warm here, cold across this region. Now, most of us showed this, but then, like I said, the European runs, the European ensembles and the European operational. This is European ensembles, and you can see we have an area of below normal heights here across the northeast and across much of the northern U.S. Above normal heights here. And this is the European deterministics. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this region and below normal temperatures here. And for precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation across this area. Now we're going to look at the period for February 21st to 25th, and models are depicting de-application of the pattern and a zone of flow for February 21st to 25th. So now we're going to look at the period for 21st to 25th. Here is the European. Wait, what is that one? Oh, the GFS ensembles. And this is the European ensembles. And you can see it has a warm across much of the nation and with a zone of flow with Pacific air. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest and above normal temperatures for this region here. And for precipitation, looking for a little change in the precipitation anomalies during this period. So this has been the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 17th to 25th. Thanks for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.